Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So this dress to impress hair tutorial is bringing the ultimate Y2K half up slay. So think butterfly clips, volume and serious Bratz doll energy. If you want to know how to create this hairstyle combo, let me show you the tutorial. So first, for the hair, you can click on the feminine hair category and put on this updo hair, this one in here. You can choose the color that you prefer. Let's say I'm going to go with this light brown color. And then you can scroll down again and put on this hair, toggle it into no bangs and use the same color. Then scroll up and still on the feminine hair category, put on this hair and use the same color. Now go to the up to hair category and put on this Harley Quinn hairs and toggle it into bangs only. Change the same color. Still on the updo hair category, put on this hair with the same color, and we only need to put on this updo hair. So after that, now your 2000s inspired half up hair is done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if Y2K is your forever fave aesthetic. Subscribe and click on the thanks for more nostalgic looks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.